We're going up, perfect day at Cococay, and we have two cruise right here, or a boat, big cruise boat, same company, Royal Caribbean. So we're going to Cococay. Nice. There's the entrance. Perfect day. Cococay.
Look, there's real seagulls.
Yeah.
I thought they were fake. I feel bad for them. Nobody needs that anymore. They don't see you have a big ass Canon camera in your hand.
So there's Thrill Water Park over there, and there's also the chill side. I think we're going to the chill side, and they will greet you with the dancing ladies. So that's the Thrill Water Park right there. And this is the Chill Island. So we're going to Chill Island. And I think there's like a restaurant right there. Skipper's Grill. Look at that view. Look at that view. We're good, thank you. We're good, thank you. Look how tiny our boat are compared to the other one. That's our boat right there, that tiny one. It's like a baby boat. Oh my god, LJ. Look how clear the water. So it's up to you guys if you want to go to here to chill, or you want to go to the thrill park. Here we're sitting right in front of the beach, which is really amazing view. And right now we're gonna just see what's in here in the Chill Island. To the ship, Chill Lagoon, Shore Excursion, Chill Island Cabanas, Snack Shack, Wacky, Seagull Bar. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna come here. Are we gonna eat there later? Yeah. There's more to come here. They're building something.
The cats. Show the cats.
Oh, they're going. Zipline rules right there. Maximum weight 275 pounds. Minimum weight 75. Minimum height 48 inch. So no smoking, no alcohol. Alright, so this is where you guys can go zipline. Yeah. Now it's getting sunny, so it's really good. So this is the whole map of the island. We were here. We're at Chill Island right there, and then this is where we at right now, at the Thrill Island.
They said it's open December 19th, but they're behind, so they ain't open yet. We can walk around too. That was just we can walk through the middle later. And here comes the sun. That's what I'm talking about. That look good little kid dancing in the boat. Perfect day for them.
If you enter, they're gonna greet you with the dancing ladies and music.
Big fish though.
Zip line right there.
Look, he's just sitting there.
From there all the way here. So you got a great view if you guys want to do a zip line. This is where you guys eat for free. Got juice, beverage later. Lunch hour is 11:30 to 3 p.m. You got free how do you call this joint for babies? And wheelchair. Oh, wheelchair that can do in the sand. Wow.
Get in there and you push me around.
Okay, old. Okay, grandpa.
Young.
Grandpa.
What you do for young babies?
No, it's for grandpa like you.
No, it's young babies.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, alright, alright. That's our lunch, tacos, and strawberry kiwi.
Cool.
I got beef.
Got beef and pork. Wow. This is pretty spectacular.
Fresh tacos for you. Tacos. Yes. I got mushrooms.
Very trying to see what vinegar cuts and everything. How do you want? They cut cranberry juice.
Try to say it. say, oh yeah, say. Long after the thrill of living is gone. I tell you something, Kaylin, you sound fantastic.
We're back here. We just took a shower earlier and then we came back. Having a smoke break. I already did, love. So we couldn't went to the thrill water park because you have to pay $84 adult.
That gives you Zipline.
No, it's the same. Yeah, it's just the water park. And then I will. No, it's 84. It's $84 for the water park. And then yes, like a they call it devil. No, they call it the devil slide.
It's the tallest slide in the world, they say.
There. They call it the devil slide. But if you guys want to go there, it costs $84 to get in for adults. I have a list of the prices if you want to know. I have it here, but I'll just probably put it in the description box below if you guys want to know, like the zip line, scuba diving, kayak, floating beach mat, wetsuit rental, everything. I have it here list, so I'll put it down in the description box below. And I think only Royal Caribbean guests can only get in here, not the Carnival, only Royal Caribbean guests. So it's the perfect day at Cococay. The chill island is free. You guys can go there and chill, like, you know, the beach. And also the Oasis Lagoon.
They're gonna have a Coco Beach Club coming.
Yeah, there's, wait, what?
January, into June.
The end of this month, January 2020, they're gonna have a what, love?
Coco Beach Club.
Coco Beach Club at the end of this month. Today is January 27th, so we locked out because tomorrow we're going to Orlando, Florida. We're going to another beach again at Orlando, Florida. So this is it. This is the park looks
This
like.
is where all the fish are, right here.
So all the fish right here
On the rocks.
in the chill island.
On the rocks.
But you guys can't go in the rocks. But this guy did earlier. We didn't know until we saw the sign. But you guys don't have to go there. So no, I'll leave it in the description box below so they can see. Beautiful flowers like ours in the Philippines. Ooh, look at that. They got the pool over there for kids.
Very nice. I guess that's part of the... But you don't need to go in that way. You could just see it from here.
What?
You can see everything from here.
We can sneak into it.
Over that little gate right here.
I know. So this is for kids. If you guys have kids, they can go to this splashway bay.
Oh, little baby pool slide.
Oh my goodness!
Go walking
For
down.
baby sis, I just wanna take a video. For kids, over there they have a little slide. Splashway. Ah! I'm getting wet.
I like that. That is so much fun there.
Gemma will like it.
Man, we gotta take her here. Like,
They have a shower there.
just your feet tip up.
That's good.
That's what I needed there.
Have fruits. like a little beach. And we're gonna go to the Oasis Lagoon. And the hot air balloon is right there. It looks so tiny in the camera, but in real life it's so... Oh my goodness, babe, it's a chicken! It's a chicken! Is that a pig?
He ate the flower. He ate the flower.
Chicken!
You missed it.
I got it on camera.
Eat that flower quick.
No, it's scared for you.
Scared of you.
Oh my goodness. They're still trying to build something over there. On the side, they have a basketball court, like a little mini basketball court. Chill Island cabanas and everything. So I'm gonna use the restroom first, and they have a shower there for adults before you guys go to swim. Having snack, and this is our view.
Right?
My view. There.
Right there, baby. Don't ask why.
Oh my goodness. You hungry, huh?
Now I'm hungry.
Oh, the first bite. Is it good, hon? You like it?
Real burgers. Cheeseburger.
Mine is only basic. I got these and onions and mayo.
You had a whole Red Robin up there. That's all you got?
It's, what time is it? 2:49. So we have to come back at our ship at around 4:30 before they leave us. Okay, this is the burger. My burger. It's good. It's peaceful.
So here's the view right here of all the blues and the palm trees and the rocks and the white sand. I'm talking giant burger. Grilled chicken, french fries.
There's a lot of birds.
Real corn on the cob. That's good. Yes, indeed. Mushrooms are good.
This one too, right here. That's nice over there. But we were like literally in front of the beach earlier. But now I think a lot of people went back to the ship. I think they're tired. And they thought that it was gonna rain. There's a little showers, but it didn't rain. It's just a little bit cold and windy. We just took a shower. I came back here.
Look at that white sand beach over there too. On the whole other side. I see the walkway as well.
He saw a what was it, love? Stingray. And a lot of fish. Maybe next time I'll buy him.
It's so camouflaged.
I'll buy him a GoPro camera, so
It must have been a giant stingray because the tail was so. I thought it was a rope. And then I seen diamond shit, but it was hidden in the sand. And I was kind of close. I came up. I looked at it and I came up slowly, and I came up and I was trying to tell the girl in front of me, but she was going across that way, and I was like, I'm going back that way because I don't know what the stingray gonna do. Like, she was down there for a while because she had the snorkels on. She came up, she was talking, you know, she seen it. I was like, you seen the stingray? I was trying to tell you.
So we're back here at the chill island. There's only few people left here. It's only like 3-something p.m. I believe it is. Wait, what time is it? 3:11. And my husband is right there like swimming. He actually likes snorkeling, so maybe soon I'll buy him like a GoPro so he can like film it. He's right there. He said he saw a crab and a stingray and some fish. So this is the view here, and you guys can go here like kayak. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the prices in the description box below if you guys are interested, because I have a list here. I asked the girl who worked here and she told me to just take a photo so I can give you guys the exact price, and also for adults and child. So it's basically almost like the same price as the adults, but I'll give you guys all the list, like the wave, jet tour driver, zipline, like I said earlier, up and away, thrill water park full day pass is $83.99, which is like 84 bucks. And they have the scuba. They also have the swimming pig store, which I kind of missed that out because I really badly want to go to, like, I think it's in Exuma Beach, and it's $119, which basically is like 120 bucks, and the same as for child. So all of this information, if you guys are interested, I will put them in the description box below. So if you guys want to do like excursions, and you can actually ask your ship as well, like the Royal Caribbean ship. I don't know if the prices are gonna change every month or season. I have no idea, but right now it's January, so I will give you guys a full price, like the details of the pricing. So you guys, if you guys want to, you know, check out some adventures or like the kayak, zipline, like I said, check it on my description box below. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like it's gonna be, this vlog is gonna be like a long vlog, and I'm just gonna end it here right now because I didn't end the vlog yet last night. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have more questions regarding of the perfect day at Cococay, I will answer your questions in the just leave a comment down below and I will answer that for you guys if you have, you know, like question regarding of like excursion and like the prices. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm just gonna enjoy this view, and I'm gonna start editing too because I haven't edited. I still have to upload a video from the Target haul tomorrow, but this is my view right now and I'm just gonna enjoy it because it's, we only have few more minutes before we leave this beautiful island, and I just want to, you know, like enjoy this view like I said. And anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow at Orlando, Florida.